Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. But today we want to talk about how you can lose your belly fat and get rid of those fat and look really nice and proper shape and good shape. Anyway, it is Aloevero. I did a video before off of it, but this is another way which you can also do at home. Enjoy the recipe, ideas and tip, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So basically, I did a video before with the Aloevero about a days ago. But basically, I want to give you, I decided I want to give my fans this recipe. So first of all, what you need to do is to get the Aloevero. So what we're going to do, we're going to simply remove the skin from the Aloevero like this, guys. Basically, I want to simply say to you, Aloevero is really good for you, and to be honest, it can also, so basically what I did, if you notice, I just simple cut off a nice lovely piece of the Aloevero, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my smoothie blender, just like that. That's the Aloevero right there. Then basically what I'm gonna do is pop a little bit of water inside of the blender like this. And then what I'm gonna do is simple cover it, and I'm gonna blend this little piece of Aloevero for about 2 seconds. All right, nice and lovely. So this is finished, and that's it. So what I did, I just blend it out just to get it really finely and smooth. Nice and lovely. Then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my glass and I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna pour it straight inside of the glass, like that. And then we're gonna add some more water to it like this. Nice one. And simple, we're gonna squeeze a piece of a lemon, some lemon juice inside of it like this, half of a lemon juice. Nice one. Nice. So basically, squeeze out the lemon, put this at the side, get this one, get the grater, and simple. Just a little piece of a ginger, and basically what you're gonna do is remove the skin from the ginger. Nice one. Then you can use this side of the grater or this side. So basically I'm gonna use this side. I'm gonna grate this little piece of a ginger. Nice one. So as you can see, this is the amount of which I get, about roughly a teaspoon, and that's what I need. Put this at the side, and this at the side, and simply get your Aloevero with the lemon juice and put this ginger in straight inside of it. Give it a nice little spin like this. Simple, get a teaspoon of honey, and simple, give it a mix. If it doesn't like the ginger pieces, you can always go back and simple strain it. Might take a little time because of the Aloevero which is inside of it. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, I've finished straining it now. Put this at the side. And let's get back a glass and pour it back inside of the glass like this. Nice and lovely. So basically that's it right here, and that's exactly what we are talking about. Basically what I want to simply say to you that ginger, honey, and Aloevero is really good for you. Special lemon You know what I mean? It's really good for you guys. You can't go wrong with all of these ingredients right here, especially Aloevero. With the Aloevero, you can always get Aloevero at the local shop or supermarket. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And as I say, you can try this one at home. It is just a fat cutter. And if you have a lot of, if you want to get a flat tummy, or you know what I mean, you got a lot of fat, so you want to get rid of it, this is a natural way you can go to lose fat. So enjoy the ideas, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye.